Ever felt lost in the labyrinth of customer support, desperately needing help but unsure where to turn? It's a frustrating situation, especially when you're dealing with a crucial tool like Newton. Whether you're struggling with a tricky integration, a perplexing bug, or just need a little guidance, knowing how to reach Newton support is absolutely essential. In this video, we're going to demystify the process and give you a clear roadmap to getting the assistance you need, quickly and efficiently. Newton, as a powerful platform, offers a range of support options designed to cater to different needs and preferences. We'll explore each of these avenues, highlighting their strengths and showing you exactly how to navigate them. Because let's face it, nobody wants to spend hours searching for answers or waiting endlessly on hold. We're going to cut through the noise and give you the direct line to Newton support. First, let's talk about the most readily available resource, the Newton Help Center. Think of this as your digital encyclopedia for all things Newton. It's packed with a wealth of information, from detailed tutorials and step-by-step guides to FAQs and troubleshooting tips. Before you even reach out to a live person, it's always a good idea to check the Help Center. You might just find the solution you're looking for right there. Navigating the Help Center is simple. Just head over to the Newton website and look for the Help or Support link, usually located in the header or footer. Once you're in the Help Center, you can browse through the various categories or use the search bar to find specific topics. Let's say you're having trouble connecting your email account. Just type email integration or connecting email into the search bar, and you'll likely find a series of articles and guides that address this very issue. These resources often include screenshots and videos, making it easy to follow along and resolve the problem yourself. Now, if you've explored the Help Center and haven't found the answer you need, it's time to escalate things. This is where direct contact with Newton support comes in. One of the most common and often preferred methods is through email support. This allows you to clearly articulate your issue, provide relevant details, and even attach screenshots or screen recordings to illustrate the problem. To find the correct email address for Newton support, again, start on their website. Look for a Contact Us or Support page. There, you should find a dedicated email address for support inquiries. When composing your email, be as specific as possible. Clearly describe the problem you're encountering, the steps you've already taken to try and resolve it, and any error messages you've received. The more information you provide, the faster the support team can assist you. Remember to include your Newton account details and any other relevant information that might be helpful. Another way to connect with Newton support is through their social media channels. Many companies, including Newton, maintain active support presence on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. While this might not be the ideal channel for complex issues, it can be a quick way to get general assistance or inquire about the status of a known problem. Look for Newton's official social media accounts and send them a direct message or post your question. Keep in mind that responses on social media might be more public, so avoid sharing sensitive information. For more immediate assistance, especially if you're dealing with a critical issue, you might want to consider phone support. This option allows you to speak directly with a support representative and get real-time help. The phone number for Newton support can usually be found on their website, often on the same Contact Us or Support page where you found the email address. When calling support, be prepared to provide your account details and clearly explain the issue you're facing. Having any relevant information handy, such as error messages or steps to reproduce the problem, will help expedite the process. Now, here's a pro tip: before contacting support, try to recreate the issue you're experiencing. This will help you pinpoint the exact steps that lead to the problem and make it easier to explain to the support team. Also, take screenshots or record a video of the issue if possible. Visual aids can be incredibly helpful in communicating technical problems. Another valuable resource that Newton might offer is their community forum. This is a platform where users can connect with each other, share tips and tricks, and ask questions. Often, you'll find that other users have encountered similar issues and have already found solutions. The community forum can be a great place to get quick answers and learn from the experiences of others. Look for a community or forum link on the Newton website. So, let's recap the different ways you can access Newton support. First, explore the Help Center for self-service solutions. If you can't find the answer there, reach out via email support for detailed assistance. For quicker inquiries or updates, consider their social media channels. If you need immediate help, phone support is your best bet. And finally, don't forget the community forum, where you can connect with other users and find valuable insights. Remember, when contacting support, be clear, concise, and provide as much information as possible. This will help the support team understand your issue quickly and provide you with the most effective solution. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions and follow up if you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame. Newton, like any good software provider, understands the importance of reliable customer support. They strive to provide their users with the resources and assistance they need to succeed. By utilizing the different support channels available, you can ensure that you get the help you need when you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.